MobyMax makes it easy to assign, sequence, or delete writing workshop lessons so that you can make sure your students are working on exactly the right content. Let's start by taking a look at how to assign a lesson. After signing into your teacher account, click the Differentiated Learning button. Then, click the Writing Workshop button. Once you're in the Writing Workshop module, click the Lessons tab and then click the Assign tab. After that, click on an individual student's name, a group name, or entire class. Select a grade level to view the available lessons. You can expand the lesson titles to see the practice sets within each lesson. Check the box next to the lesson or practice sets you want to assign, and then click the Assign button. Select a sequence and student display option, where and how students will access the lessons, and then click Continue. To change the sequence of an assigned writing workshop lesson, click on Sequence from the Lessons tab. Select the student you'd like to work with. From there, you can click and drag the arrows to rearrange the sequence of the lessons. You can also delete a lesson by clicking on the trash can icon next to the lesson you wish to remove. MobyMax makes it easy to make sure your students always get the right content at the right time.